So I'm supposed to ceramic coat this today, but I came into a little problem. From the factory, you can see this burn. This is what happens when they try to sand out a defect in the clear coat coming out the factory. A lot of people say my vehicle is new, there's nothing wrong, but here we have a perfect example of a vehicle brand new. Paper plates, straight from the factory. Whoever painted it, they inspected it, they saw what, like a paint nib or run or something. And this section is they may not have a polisher or a DA sander that can get in this area, so he did it by hand and then he polished it, and then you can tell the ring around is a burn. So got to get this back to the dealership, have them repaint this, and then go ahead and bring it back and have it ceramic coated. It's a nice truck, brand new Ford Raptor. So I just went ahead and washed it, inspected it. The paint was good. This was going to be a super easy correction. Unfortunately, it's not going to happen today. But yeah, so always inspect your vehicle while you're at the dealership before you take it home. Great way to do that is to have a scan grip inspection light. Here we use lots of different lights. I have scan grip, I have this, I have a bunch of different lights, different angles. That's how I was able to see the defect, warn the customer. He wanted me to go ahead and coat the car still, but I told him, when it goes back to the body shop, there's a good chance it's going to be covered in overspray when it comes back. That's typically what I've been seeing. So I would have to clay the vehicle, and didn't want to do that. I'm just going to go send it back, bring the vehicle back here. If there is overspray, I'll take care of it at the time versus having to redo the whole coating